Thank you, everybody. Thanks for taking time. All the partners, those who have come here. Uh, it's not so easy to travel, and to travel here for a corporate event. I should, from my bottom of my heart, I should say thank you to all. Uh, Two things which stand out here. The partnership is not about just making profit, it's to build the relationship. And it truly resonates when I see you all. And when you see you all, yesterday evening, it gives me a lot more pleasure because it's not about just the partner event. You wanted to see the scale of Dexian and be interactive with all our employees. I'm Kumar Rajagopalan, country head for Dexian India. It's more than just a country head. I would probably say part of the Dexian family and being a bigger brother here for all the Dexian India employees. I stand here to thank one and all and to my CEO, global CEO, Maruf Ahmed and his wife to come here all the way for just 3 days to grace this occasion. If you really look at it, the India has a market. What we started maybe much later than many others, but in the last few years, it has shaped up really well. Over the years, what India has created is a big services industries. The services industries are just to make sure that the human potential is reaching the maximum. And in fact, even before what it was transpired in India, Dexian has started its services industries or the unleashing the human potential in US. Two brothers started there and in fact started as a small organization, now becoming a big billion-dollar global company. And this is not just about the building the business with a major stake in every country with just the profit maximization. His objective is very clear. People first, and people first. The rest follow. That's the philosophy of both the brothers, Maruf and Mahfuz. And they built this in a scale which everybody in the Dexian India feels like as if they are part of the whole family. Such is the incredible leadership and the human-centric leadership which makes me stay here for now more than 13 years, still looking at it every day, the possibility of expanding the footprint in India. The second interesting part of it is India has always been building the capability, and what I can say is the knowledge industry flourished, not now, even in the past. And I was talking about the GCCs. GCCs are the present, but if you really look at it, the GCCs are part of the knowledge capital, and the knowledge universities are created 2000 years back, 2500 years back in India with Nalandas and others. So, which means that it inherently takes the world capital for knowledge, and it's truly becoming part of the global exercise. And I would say Dexian is very proud to be associated in this knowledge industry day in and day out. And as a result of that, we are also right now enhanced our capability to service the GCC industries in a bigger way in India. Again, I truly wanted to give a message on the partnership. So this takes me back to some of our ancient stories. One of the stories always resonate me so much. There was a time in the Mahabharata war, Arjuna and Duryodhan, both they came to Krishna. All of you know about this story, but I just want to take a different dimension to it. When they came, both of them were waiting for Krishna to wake up, and both of them wanted to ask something. So Krishna asked them, "What is your request?" Duryodhan asked, "His army, his power, everything," which is basically to say that like I can win this war without much of a problem. Arjuna asked, "I need only my Lord, Krishna be there. I don't need anything else." One side it's power and army and all those stuff. The other side is the purpose, direction, the values which are associated with that one. And we all know the story how it ended finally. So the values, purpose, the strategic directions, and the element of human things which are part of its play, and finally the Arjun side which won the war. So which means that like our stories are written in such a way that the values are important. The partnership is so ingrained, which is requiring a lot more truth in it, and the transparency in it, and there is a element of respect and empathy. All these things are the core values of Dexian, which has been interwoven into it, and we wanted to follow completely in the world, and that's how we wanted to engage in India also. That also brings all these people here, the partners here, and I'm truly cherishing the partnership with every one of you, and take time to meet every one of you to engage in a meaningful dialogue and conversations. Last but not the least, the growing economy and the growing size which we are looking at it, the newer challenges are coming. AI is now into the market. With just one announcement, it has wiped out 22 billion in 1 week. So which means it has truly taken its shape to make sure that there is every human element, there is a AI agentic part of the human work also. When it becomes the scaling is increasing, and no better than India can produce lot more engineers who can probably develop lot more AI products in this country. So which makes it even more interesting. It's not just about the human partnership. You have a agentic partnership is also part of the overall structure which you need to make it. That makes it so interesting for all of us to work here collaboratively. With that, I would again say, welcome you all. Let's all explore. Let's all make it this place so great. Make in India is just not a concept. It's about the new vision which we want to create it to build a new nation here. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for coming.
We are Dexian, in the business for good.